Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Dan the T-Shirt Guy, and welcome to the Never Show. And today we will be playing WillYouPressTheButton.com. I saw Markiplier play this, and his eyes ordered me to. How can you say no to a face like this? Who can say his eyes, they hypnotize, they confuse and perplex me. I cannot deny them. Shut up! Okay, what was I saying? Okay, welcome back to Will You Press the Button? You can eat as much as you want and have the body type of your choosing. Junk food costs 4 times as much. I don't eat a lot of junk food, so I can live with myself pressing this button. Let's see, 75% of people pressed the button, 25 did not. I can see people living with that. You know, it's all about how you can live. I mean, geez, I can eat like 5 pounds of salad because it'll be cheaper now. Okay. You can change your eye color, your eye and hair color without dyeing or using contacts. But you'll be fat. I have a problem with my weight. It's one of those things that drives me nuts. Junk food is definitely a problem in my life. So I'm going to say no. Can't live with myself if I can change my eye and hair color at will if I have to be fatter than I am now. 25% of the people pressed the button while 75% did not. Yay! I'm not a monster! Next question. Okay, you can have an expensive dinner with Einstein and Washington at a rotating expensive diner in New York, but you'll be blamed for their deaths and seen as an atrocity. Yeah, there's the word. Do I even English, bro? To every human alive, past, present, worse than Hitler and Stalin combined. So I get to have a really cool dinner with George Washington and Einstein. But I am the most horrible person in the world. I need to be loved, dang it. Not pushing that dang button. All we need is love. Love. Yep, 83% of the people agree with me. We need to be loved. Can't stand being hated. I'm not even going to read the comments. What's the question here? You can read your dog's mind, but you can only eat dog food you hate. Sorry about that, folks. No, I will not be pressing your button today. Let's see, 17% of the people actually like dog food. You will become the sexiest person alive. You have 3 hours to enjoy it. Well, that's easy. Easy. I'm not worth it. 65. Why am I always the bad guy in this? 56% of you know, you're only sexy for 3 hours? What are you going to do with the rest of your life? Huh? And what are you going to look like after you're not the sexiest person in the world? Next question, please. You go to Hogwarts. You only get to work for Filch. I used to go to Hogwarts, but I have to work for Mr. Filch and his cat. I can live with that. Click that button, dang it. 42 people pressed the button while 8... You get to go to Hogwarts! Harry Potter! Dang it. Filch is a minor character. He's pretty much not a bad dude. What is wrong with you people? Dear Lord. Working with morons here. Will you press the button? You become the greatest pirate in all the 7 seas. You will always be alone because you're allergic to alcohol and drugs. I get to be a pirate? Yo ho, I am a pirate king. Army hearties, I be a pirate king. Ha ha ha! I can't take drugs, and I don't like alcohol. So, but I get to be the pirate king. I'm hitting that dang button. Give me that. Only 29% of the people press the button? What is wrong with you? You get to be a pirate king. I mean, seriously. You get to be a pirate king. What is wrong with you? And you get to be sober, and you get to remember everything. So you have the best stories around. Because you can say, yeah, I remember his story. His story's all about drugs and booze. I know the real truth. You could probably even hire a scribe to cover your adventures because you're the sober, sane, and not drunk dude. Okay. Last question, and then we got to go because I got to wrap this up because there's still a lot of posts I got to do on this video. You can make sure everyone in the world is content but yourself. So everyone's good but me. I can live with that. Hit the dang button. 57% of the people did hit the button. So everybody's good but me. So I think if everybody's good except me, the world balances itself out. So this is Dan the T-shirt guy saying this is the Never Show. And if you like what you see, go thumbnail that like button down below. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!